It's an old, one of them fold-out beds, I think. They'll fold very good. Picked one of these up before, and I'll tell you what, it caught my fingers. They off net my yoke. Right, let's have this on. Oh, still got my finger. Oh. I trapped that though, no trap in there. Right, that's on guys, let's go and get some more tap out. So, got a bit more air off this gentleman.
Yes sir. Been waiting for somebody to come round. I was just about to shut the garage door.
I've been round twice now. We've got that. A steering rack off something. That looks a good Hoover though. Moving the cars out. An Hoover, a clothes horse. I can start a business up with them.
Brand new, them are.
What them are?
A Nissan Primera. But I've got the car packed up so
Right up here.
Yeah.
Out of a church.
You know.
Open.
Yeah.
Right, that's that guys, we can get some more. Right, we've got a bit more here guys. Couple of chairs. Oh, one chair. Another clothes horse. An Hoover pipe. And I can't take that barrel unfortunately. Alright, let's crack on and go and get some more. More here guys. Just gonna get the towel lift down. I think it's a dishwasher we've got. I'm just going to get it now, so I'll get the lift down. Oh dear me. Just gotta sort this bit out. There. There. This I'm going to have to put on top. Oh, sorry mate, I don't see you there. Yeah.
Oh, that's easy, right?
Yeah.
Tail lift, it's like 40.
There you go, bud. Thank you very much, mate. Oh, I had my camera on by the way, is that alright?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, just so I do a channel.
Yeah, sweet.
Cool mate, thank you. Hoover's got me. Drop the Hoover inside there, make a bit more room. Oh dear me. Let me trolley around here at the way a minute. Let's have this up. dishwasher. Your turn. Thought it would go in between that safe. I don't think it will. Unless I pull the safe back a bit. Yep, easier said than done. Come on. I don't even know whether that moved. Let's have a look. No, that's safe, they moved. If anything, it went back that way. No chance. No chance. There we go. There we go. Alright guys, that's on. Let's go and get some more scrap metal out. Right guys, got a bit more here. Just gotta get it on quick because I'm in the middle of the road. Oh, table and chairs, these are quite nice. These I don't like sitting on them. I don't think they're safe. Come on. You alright, bud? How you going, mate? You okay? Right. And a chair. Alright, that's that on, guys. Let's go and get some more tattoos. Go. Rightio, got a bit more scrap here. That looks a nice push bike. I'll have that on now. You alright, bud? How you going, mate? I hate talking to myself, I've got a film in me. I do a channel, YouTube. Oh, mama. Look at that. I'll bike down the shop on that, it still all works. It's a Scott, wherever a Scott is, a nice bike. We'll have that on. Alright, let's go and get some more tack, guys. Catch you in a minute. Right, we got a bit more. I'll put this on first. Just a bit of, I think it's that stuff you bide your wires in your walls with. I'll have that on. Bit more here. I've got a clue what that is. A walking frame, I think. Rightio guys, let's go and get some more tat. Right, we've got a couple of brake discs. Oh, these are piling up now, I've got a fair few of these. Come and have a look at these springs. Yeah. I think them are bent nice now. I've got a bit more on the time to put on. But also though, I've got a bit to take off if I'm honest. You know, the non-ferrous is all this side, what I've been stripping, so we'll have a look at it. We'll have a look. Let's go and get some more tat. Catch you in a minute. Right guys, we got a bit more, some more discs. This is definitely piling off. Right, let's go and get some more, guys. It's only a bit more space. Never mind. Oh yeah, it's on. It's only a bit more space. I'd say go back another 3 washes on, then pile it high. Let's go and get it. Come on. Okie doke, guys. Another one. Washing machine. Oh dear, mate. That's about 7 washes we've had today, I think. I don't know, let's check through it, but I think that's about 7. Pointless me even using that now because the wheel is proper ragged off. So I'm going to tip it and tumble it. There we go. Not much floor space now left, guys, but we can go higher. Can get some more, catch you in a minute. And we got a bit more. We got a bit more. Oh, what are you? We got a bit more. A microwave. Someone's just given me a chip pan, look. Jesus, I've left the cooking oil in it. There we go, guys. Let's go and get some more taps. Come on. Right, we've got a bit more here, guys. A garden blower. And here comes the rain. I like that on. There's a lot of wire on it. Okay, guys, let's go and get some more tats. Right, guys, got a bit more here. Boom, 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 boom. Washing machine. Another one, eh? Oh, it's crashing because my trolley. Whew. Hang on. Right, we've got a bit more across the street. Let's go and have a look. No, we can't take that. Too much glass. Let's go and get some more tack, guys. Catch you in a minute. Oh, right, we're on. Right, we've got a bit more here. It's, I think it's the casing off a water bowser. The water butt was inside them. There it. We fill it up with water. But yeah. We'll have that on. I'll have it on top and I'll get a strap on it. That nearly took my hand off date. Let's see if I can get this off. It's a star. Great. Watch your feet. There we go. We'll have a strap on it. That'll fall right through, won't it? I think, guys, that's a wrap. That's a full load. Yeah, springs are nice and bent. Come down that way. That's a full load, guys. All this weekend's complete now. Watch out for the weigh-in, eh? See what we've got on. You're more than welcome to take a guess. Catch you on the next one. Watch out for the weigh-in.